Just a few minutes from the MA12 highway, discover the majestic entrance of this prestigious estate, nestled in a preserved natural setting. All around you, elegant buildings stretch out over nearly 150 acres, combining Mediterranean architecture with endless potential for customization. A true blank canvas ready to be reinvented according to your dreams. Imagine yourself strolling through these vast spaces, each corner revealing a new facet of beauty and sophistication. The red tile roofs, the balconies adorned with wrought iron, and the lush gardens create a perfect harmony between nature and design. These buildings are not just structures, but living works of art breathing history and culture. Every detail, every curve, every shadow tells a unique story, waiting to be enriched by your personal vision. Let yourself be inspired by this architectural symphony and transform it into your own masterpiece. Fly over breathtaking landscapes, where nature reveals all its splendor. Admire the vast expanses of greenery, the rolling hills, and the dense forests that stretch as far as the eye can see. The estate is located in a protected natural park, a true haven of peace where flora and fauna thrive undisturbed. Here, every corner of land is preserved to maintain the ecological balance. Surrounded by spectacular views of the mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, offering a breathtaking panorama. Imagine yourself contemplating these landscapes from your terrace, each day bringing a new light and a new perspective, offering you a unique setting to live in harmony with nature. Here, the architecture blends perfectly into the landscape, creating a perfect symbiosis between man and his environment, a place where every moment is an invitation to serenity and contemplation. From the private pier, gaze upon Playa Sacanova, a magnificent beach that stretches as far as the eye can see. This wild and unspoiled beach is a true natural gem, just a stone's throw from your doorstep. Imagine yourself walking on this golden sand, feeling the sea breeze, and listening to the gentle murmur of the waves. The estate offers direct access to this stretch of fine sand, allowing you to enjoy the sea at any time. Whether for a morning swim or a sunset stroll, every moment spent here is a privilege. A true paradise for sea lovers, where tranquility and natural beauty meet. Enjoy unforgettable moments of relaxation, far from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, in this idyllic setting. This estate, with its unlimited potential and exclusive amenities, represents a rare opportunity. Come and discover this exceptional property in Majorca, where luxury, nature, and tranquility meet. Contact us to arrange a private visit and discover the full potential of this exceptional estate.